you still get the capabilities like of a high-speed offshore interceptor, but you get the creature comforts of having a cabin. So what these guys do is they'll run 100 miles offshore, for example, do their patrol, come back in, and with the speed of up to 62 knots, they can get out there and get back quickly.
Hi, my name is Celia Cano. We are here at the International Workboat Show in New Orleans. I'm here today with Rob Goley, Chief Revenue and Customer Officer at Safe Boats. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you. Good morning.
So that's a new job title for you. Do you want to tell us a little bit about Safe Boats, what you do at Safe Boats, and what's new with the company?
Yeah, sure. So I'm the Chief Revenue and Customer Officer. So my job is basically everything external customer focused. So obviously, working with customers on new boats, engineering, innovation, training, customer support, and pretty much everything that's external facing towards the customer.
Awesome. And tell us a little bit about Safe Boats. What do you guys do? And, you know, company-wise, anything exciting and new coming up for you?
For sure. So Safe Boats International, we're an all-aluminum boat builder out of Bremerton, Washington. We've been around for going on 30 years. Actually, our 30-year anniversary is next year. And we are a customer-focused company that designs, builds, and maintains government and law enforcement boats. We're coming up on 3,000 boats delivered, 72 countries.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what we do.
Awesome. Congratulations on the 30th anniversary. That's awesome.
Absolutely, yeah. It's fun.
Yeah, and then so leadership-wise in the company, I've heard that there may be some changes that we're looking into.
Yeah, so 2 years ago, we became 100% employee-owned.
Nice.
So we are very much a community-oriented company. All 300 plus of our team members are now owners, and we call ourselves employee owners. And with that, we're going into a leadership change where we're going to a collaborative leadership model. So instead of having sort of your typical hierarchy with one boss at the very top, we're going to have 4 leaders. Myself, we'll have a Chief Operating Officer, CFO, and our Chief People Officer. And we'll run the day-to-day of the company, led by our board of directors.
Awesome. Congratulations. That sounds awesome.
It is very cool, very exciting.
So I want to talk a little bit about the boat that we're standing on right now. I know that this is a new model of a previously already deployed vessel. So you can tell us a little bit about what's different with this model.
So this is sort of the third evolution of our full cabin offshore, or excuse me, our 41-foot offshore design. So we started out with a 41-foot center console offshore, built and designed a lot of those, 52 of them actually for Customs and Border Protection. And then very, very popular boat in a lot of our international customers as well. From that center console design, we moved on to a walk-around cabin design that we built for some state and local customers. And then about a year and a half ago, we came out with the full cabin. So typically when we launch a new product, we like to build a couple of them first before we go out live. So this is the third evolution, third boat we built. Second boat of this model for Florida Fish and Wildlife. So what it was really designed for was longer range. You still get the capabilities like of a high-speed offshore interceptor, but you get the creature comforts of having a cabin. So it's actually got some bunks up forward. It's got a bathroom, a shower, refrigerator, microwave, shock mitigating seats throughout. So what these guys do is they'll run 100 miles offshore, for example, do their patrol, come back in, and with the speed of up to 62 knots, they can get out there and get back quickly.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Can you talk a little bit about, the ideal customer for
Sure.
this model? And then also, have any projects been done already, or do you know of any projects that are coming up?
Yeah, so ideal customer for this type of boat is sort of like I said, they've got long range type patrols. They've got to get out far. And instead of going with sort of a typical slower patrol boat, this one, they've got the speed and endurance to go out there. They can, go 100 miles in just under 2 hours, provided the weather's nice. They can stay on scene for their 8-hour shift, for example, and then run that 100 miles back. That type of thing, instead of having, like I said before, like a larger patrol boat that might be going 20, 30 knots, it's going to be a multi-day event. They can go out, come back, and be in bed by the evening with their families, and yeah.
Awesome. And any upcoming projects or recent projects that this vessel has been used for?
Yeah, so this one, like I said, is the third. Florida Fish and Wildlife is getting their second. We have other customers that are going to be purchasing this same model, and can't really talk about those ones yet. They haven't been delivered, but yeah, we have a bunch of customers that are going to be getting this boat. And next year, as we go into our 30th year anniversary, we'll have a couple more surprises. We're kicking off our 30-year at the Workboat Show, and then we'll be having a year-long sort of celebration. A lot of it is customer-focused, team member-focused, and probably some surprises next year at Workboat.
Awesome. So if we want to see what's next, we got to stay tuned.
You got to stay tuned.
Awesome.
Yep.
Well, thanks for talking today, and good luck with the show this week.
Thank you.